Dear students, greetings from the Indian Community School Kuwait. Welcome back to yet another video of exam tips. Today, I'm here to discuss about some of the important tips related to mass media studies board examination. The subject is divided into two segments, employability skills and subject specification skills. There are 10 marks for employability skills and 50 mark for the subject specification skills. Kindly make sure that you prepare according to the mark bifurcation. There are 4 units in total. The first unit is selling, marketing, exhibiting a product through advertising. One of the important chapter as far as the MCQ question concerned. The first chapter is advertisement concept and process. In this chapter, mainly you need to focus on market segmentation. How market is being segmented according to the need and requirement of the customer. The second chapter is functions of advertisement, which is a very simple chapter. Third and fourth chapters are the most important chapters in the first unit. The chapter is types of advertisement and fourth chapter is forms of advertisement. In types, we can see different types like OOH, billboard, electric, like that. And in forms of advertisement, we can see details about different forms of advertisements like institutional advertisement, social service advertisements, etc. We are moving to the next unit, which is introduction to the production process. We do see the different production process in this unit related to television, internet, radio, and film. So these are the important production aspects related to the chapter. Always remember, there are 3 steps involved in the production process, which is pre-production, production, and post-production. There are a lot of abbreviations related to this chapter, like lighting director, which is LD, technical director, which is TD, personal assistant, which is PA, etc. We are moving to the third unit, which is new media. Even though this is a very small chapter, there are a lot of questions which is being repeatedly asked from this chapter. This chapter is mainly focused on how new media, which is internet, brought changes as well as certain trends in the 21st century brought influence in the present situation. In the beginning of this chapter, we can study about Walter Lippmann and his famous book, Public Opinion. After that, we will study about Majid Taherian and his 3 mega trends. And at the end, we can see Amartya Sen and his concept, how democracy brought changes in the society. So this is a very important chapter. Make sure that you go through each of these people. Walter Lippmann, Majid Taherian and Amartya Sen and their concept. And what all are the major changes brought by internet. And the last unit is the creative contribution of the key people. Okay, so in this chapter, mainly we can see different medias like film, television, radio, internet, and what all are the key people involved in the production process of these medium. Out of all the mediums, film is the most important content in this. Make sure that you go through each and every person involved in the production process of film. The very important point from this chapter, who is the real author of film? The answer is director. There will be different type of questions related to that. You have to write the answers with the examples of the films which we have analyzed already. And then we have newspaper, where we need to focus on the editorial board, the reporters, the different types of editors, etc. Then radio. When it comes to radio, the RJs are the most important aspect of radio production. Then internet, mainly related to the creation of a web page and different people involved in the production process of web pages and web related content. So these are the important topics from the fifth unit. By this, we come to the conclusion of the entire 4 units. Kindly make sure that you give more importance to second and third chapters of first unit, then new media, as well as in the last portion, mainly about film production and the key people. There will be general questions. Make sure that you give your maximum outputs towards the answers. You give your own examples, creative contributions, relevant case studies, which will add more weightage to your answer. I would like to conclude the presentation by adding an important aspect related to this examination. Kindly give maximum importance to the MCQ questions. Make sure you prepare as much as MCQ questions chapter wise, which will give more marks to your total valuation. And kindly be thorough with the subjective type explanatory answers. Like I have mentioned earlier, please give appropriate case studies, examples, and answers along with the answer writing. All the best for your exams from the Indian Community School, Kuwait. Until we meet next time, thank you.